Cell phone UV sanitizer, portable UV light smartphone sterilizer cleaner aromatherapy function disinfector for iPhone, Samsung, Android, mobile phone, toothbrush, salon tools, jewelry, watches. Cell phone cleaner. Keep your cell phone or face mask cleaning and stay healthy within 10 minutes. Just place your phone and turn it on. The box will do the rest of the thing. Essential oil diffuser and great present. We could call this as a cell phone essential oil diffuser. Just drop a few of essential oils, take your phones or others' personal items to have an aromatherapy spa. That sounds it also could be an amazing gift for your families and friends. Large space cleaner compatible with most of cell phones that no more than inches 7 liters x 3.9 watts x 0.8 H. And well suitable for iPhone 11, 11s Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS Max, XS, X8, 8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S9, S9, S8, S8, S7 Note 8, LG. Voice prompt cleaner. Voice prompt will be activated when you begin the clean and after it is done. Convenient and widely used. Come with simple and stylish design. Our lightweight cleaning box is widely used for smartphone, smartwatch, headphone, makeup brush, jewelry, credit cards or other personal items. And well suitable for your day-to-day use at home, in the office, or out of travel. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.